So here's how you add somebody to your Seller Central account, because as your business grows, you will find more and more people need access to your Seller Central account, from virtual assistants to SEO people to marketing people to suppliers to outsourcers, and on and on and on and on and on. As your business grows, so will your team that requires access to your account as well. And of course, you want to make sure that they get the correct sort of access to your account. You can't just give them your own username and password. Not only would that not work as far as Amazon's concerned, because Amazon would flag it, but it wouldn't work for you and your account, because you wouldn't want to give somebody that level of control over your account. So what Amazon has is user permission. So this is in Australia, but it's the same in any marketplace. So over here on the right hand side under settings, you drop down what says user permissions, and from there you get to this screen. And then, as you can see already, so for instance, Richard Aston was added to this particular account so that he could set up heaps of things on the account. And he's at FBA Prep Australia. Richard's fantastic. He does heaps and heaps of stuff. But you can see other people as well, okay? And here you can manage their permissions. So let's just click on what Richard can go and look at. So here's all the different user permissions, from inventory and pricing to advertising and orders, all the way through all the different aspects of your Seller Central account. You can give somebody permission to access it or withhold permission so they can't access it. Makes it very, very safe for you and your business. Super, super easy to do. Let's just go back. So to add a new user, you just put their name there, their email address, and you invite them. Once you do that, Amazon will send them an email. They will click on the link in the email, and then it will come back here for you to then manage their user permissions. So they start off with no permissions, and you just add permissions to their account for them. That's how it works. Super easy to do. Works really, really well. I have not hundreds, but tens of people accessing my own Amazon accounts. Tens of them. Dead easy to do. Good question, Rod. Thank you for that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.